Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So it is like almost 2 o'clock. What time is it really? I don't even know. Gotta back out of the driveway. So we had Sterling's appointment this morning. Journey didn't have therapy because they canceled her appointment. But we had 2 appointments for Sterling. Now we are going to go get Evan from one of his jobs. He has to be picked up at Ingles. So while I am there, I'm going to pick up some carrots because I'm going to make chicken and dumplings. No, I'm not going there. I'm going to make... No, I'm not going to Lidl. We're going to go to Ingles. I'm going to make chicken and dumplings tonight for everybody, for Pop and Uncle Brian. And I had used my carrots in the roast I made yesterday. I wasn't even thinking when I bought the carrots. I knew that I needed carrots for like 2 of my dinners, but I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. So we'll grab some carrots when we pick up Evan, and then when we get back, Journey and I need to do her schoolwork, and I have a bunch of shirts I need to get done. And Sterling needs to do her schoolwork. Did you do anything yet, Sterling?
Algebra. I worked on some of that.
Well, you didn't do your whole 40 minutes. Anyway, so when we get back, we'll do school. And then I want to throw some shirts on to get them made. And while we're doing school, maybe, we'll see. I don't know. And then probably at 4:30 I'll start dinner. I noticed that a lot of times, like if I am using my Instant Pot, although like the cook time might be an hour, you still have to wait for it to come up to pressure and all that, so sometimes it ends up being an hour and a half, and so I usually don't figure that time in, and so I need to start, you know, figuring, like, although the Instant Pot cooks, you know, pressure cooks really fast, you still have to bring it up to pressure. Anyway, I need to focus on driving. Not that I'm not focusing on driving, but you know, I need 2 hands on the wheel instead of 1 hand on the wheel and 1 on my camera. That's how you know you raised a good kid. Oh, he returned his cart. So that's how you know you raised a good kid.
What are you doing?
He returned his cart.
I did.
Good job.
I didn't leave it in the parking lot.
We're here.
Look out for me.
We're just getting some food.
Yeah, let's just look out the baby too.
I don't feel like going over to the place where I normally get my food. until next week, so I'm gonna get some food this week. Look who it is. They would match our chicken.
Let's go look at the baby chick.
Look at this turkey. Who are you talking to? Why? Why? What? Sure, don't land on your toes.
Oh. Here, let me help you. Alright. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You're doing most of the work. Come on. Oh. Ah. Hey, girl. Freaking muscles, dude.
Hello. Hey.
I don't know if you want to tell them. Did everybody at your work went home already?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah. Like who you would have to tell if you were going to be off tomorrow?
Well, no.
Well, she lost her mucus plug.
She what?
She lost her mucus plug.
Okay, gosh, I was like, what? Who are you talking about? Okay. Yeah, we should have just said Cora, because I'm thinking,
Well,
what is
no,
the mucus plug? What's going on with my
no,
girls?
nobody else has a mucus plug here.
I don't know that. I don't know that.
I want some those muffins.
Okay, well, what does that even mean?
That means she could potentially be in labor right now and go into labor this evening. She could go into labor tomorrow. She can go into labor the next day. It just means things are progressing.
Here's the thing. I told Karen, told her last week or something, that was something that could happen,
Right.
I just know it was going to be towards the end of the month. I didn't know what date or anything like that.
Right.
So, I'm not going to really stop here today. She'll be here tomorrow, but I'm not really going.
Hey guys, so I got something on the camera. Let me see if I can wipe it off. There we go. So, Cora texted me. She lost her mucus plug, so if you had a baby, you know what that is. And if you haven't had the baby, that's like the early stages of labor. You lose your mucus plug, and then after that, you know, your water could potentially break. You start having contractions, that kind of thing. The mucus plug is usually the first thing to go, and then, then water breaking and so on and so forth. So I lost mine with Nathan. It was right around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I just remember because we were, story time, we were going to go to the casino. So I lived in Michigan, and we were, my mom, my grandma, my sister, we were all going to go to the casino, and my sister came up, and we were just waiting for my little sister Autumn to get home and my little brother to get home from school, because we figured, I'm cutting an onion, my sister had children, and so she had Stephen and Mary, which Stephen is my nephew that came with us when we went to Disney in the fall. So my sister Sherry and her son Steven came with us. But anyway, so my sister Autumn was gonna watch them and watched her kids while we went to the casino. My mom thought if we went to the casino, my sister was pregnant too. My sister Sherry was pregnant at the same time. She was due like she was due September 28th. And I was due on October 6th. So I told her that we should have just switched due dates because I went into labor. It was September 26th that, you know, I went into labor. I lost my mucus plug. Like I said, around 3. We were waiting for my little sister and my little brother to get home from school so they could watch her kids. And we were going to go walk around the casino, both of us, because we were pregnant and, you know, trying to get something started, get our labor started. So, I walked to the mailbox and checked the mail. My mom has, you know, a pretty long driveway. And so I walked to the mailbox, checked the mail. And then when I came back, my stomach was like contracting. I didn't know. My mom asked me when I lost it, because I was like, when I wipe, you know, I told her, and she was like, oh, that's your mucus plug. And I was like, mucus what? I was like, oh. So she's like, labor should, you know, that means labor isn't far away. And I'm like, okay. So then we were still gonna go to the casino, but then my contractions picked up like a lot and I started to have a lot of pain. So we just decided it was best to take me to the hospital. So she took me to the hospital. But I still want to go to the casino. And then at like cutting onions at 11:55, Nathan was born. So, you know, she could be having contractions because, like I said, when I was having them, I didn't know I was having contractions. Oh my gosh, this is burning my eyes. Hold, please.
Kiss me now, nobody'd ever know.
Hi guys, so it is 11:42. I'm headed to bed. I haven't heard any more updates from Cora. You know, it could be a couple days yet. You know. Anyway, it's you know. But I did want to update you guys that my books will be here tomorrow. So I ordered the teacher kit from somebody off from Facebook Marketplace, and it was supposed to be here Monday. It never did arrive, and then I kept checking, and so today I could file it, so I filed it, and usually that lights a fire under it, and now it's in Greenville, so it'll be here tomorrow. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed, get some good sleep, and you know, baby might come tomorrow. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.